Neighborhoods and homes for sale in Rancho Palos Verdes, California. Today we're looking at a community called Monaco. Monaco is just east of Hawthorne Boulevard, about a quarter mile of the Robert Ryan Community Park, which has been open since 1973. With homes built in the 1960s and 70s, and some of the homes built since then, either as rebuilds or new. We'll take a drive through to see the curb appeal of these homes. So a lot of those homes get panoramic views across the ocean into Catalina Island. The homes range in size from 2,600 square feet to over 5,000 square feet, and from 3 to 6 bedrooms. Price points from $1.7 million to over $3 million as of the time of this video in 2021. One of the reasons our parents bought a home way back when on the Palos Verdes Peninsula was the distance between the homes. There's a lot of space typically compared to tract homes closer into Los Angeles. And if you go look at the homes in Monaco and the spaces between those homes, you'll get a good idea of what those views are like out across the ocean to Catalina. Monaco's Homeowners Association, or HOA, is a voluntary one, but most of the residents choose to pay it. It's a $90 per year fee, and they provide several services. Monaco's HOA maintains the 4 entrances to the community, the website, and enforces the CC&Rs. It's the covenants, codes, and restrictions. The original builder makes it all run with the land. Monaco is just about 2 minutes to Ralph's on Hawthorne, and another 5 minutes to Pavilions and Bristol Farms in the Peninsula Shopping Center. Back down the hill the other way toward Rancho Palos Verdes and the coast, there's Trader Joe's just about 5 minutes away. For restaurants, there are many great options within a 7 to 10 minute drive, west to Terranea or east about 10 minutes to the Peninsula Shopping Center. Access to the nearest freeway, the 405, is via Hawthorne, about 15 minutes if you're going north, and if you're going south, typically you'd take Crenshaw, and that's also about 15 minutes, hitting the 405 freeway a little bit south. Check out how funny the subscribe button is on the next screen.